guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it for notification. To go on with the festive season, this is my second look that I've created for this Diwali. A beautiful bronze eye with some brown eyeliner, winged liner, and yeah, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lid with this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it well, and then I'm going to set that with Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent. So this is the translucent powder that I use. I'm going to use the dabbing motion here. I'm going to use the Morphe into Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to use the shade MMEO. It's a beautiful shade for your crease. So I'm just adding this to warm up my crease. You can totally skip this step if you don't want to, but I'm going to go again with another shade on my crease, and this time I'm using butter, and I'm going to warm up my crease once again. Festive for me means metallic shades, gold, bronze, anything. So I'm going to use this beautiful bronze shade from the same palette called Firework, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So wet your brush with some makeup setting spray to get the maximum intensity of that metallic shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Now for that hassle-free eyeliner look, I'm going to use this shade Central Park. That's a beautiful brown shade. I'm going to apply a wing liner. I'm going to create a wing liner with the same eyeshadow. So it's very easy and hassle-free. You don't need to sit and apply a gel liner or anything. So I'm going to use a precise brush, and I'm going to create that liner, and I'm going to fill in this areas where I can see some skin. I'm going to fill that area with that metallic shade. And for the brows, I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows like this. And now to cover that under eye dark circles, I'm going to use Elegance Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it well with Nika's blender, and then I will set that with some setting powder by Colourpop in the shade translucent. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to use this Smokey Eyes by Bourjois Paris in smoke brown, and I'm going to apply it on my lower waterline like this. It's a really small pencil, guys, and I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl in black on my upper waterline, and I'm going to use the same dark brown shadow on my lower lash line to smoke it out with that Kohl pencil. Now I'm going to apply the same bronze shade on my lower lash line like this, not too far, just on the inner 1/3, and I'm going to apply the beautiful golden shade as my inner corner highlight, and this Mary Luminizer by Balm on my brow bone. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. If you want to go and add some falsies, go ahead and add some falsies. This is my second Diwali eye makeup look. This is the first eye look on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check that out. And this is the final look, you guys. Very easy and super quick eye makeup look, perfect for this festive season. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. I hope you all will enjoy this Diwali, and happy Diwali to you in advance. And I'm going to go about with 2 more looks for this Diwali, so don't forget to check my channel out. Take care. Bye.